Chanel unboxing. Just got it in. This is the receipt. And this is the boxing. Let's see what we got here. Chanel always have nice packaging. Even if it comes through the mail. And I never can open it nicely, but I keep the ribbon. The ribbon is so pretty. And there's the box. And then you got the wrapping, tissue. Look how pretty. And then you have the little pouch, the Chanel pouch. And what I got was the Chanel gel coat and nail polish. And let's see. So this is the nail color. And then this gel coat, I haven't tried it, but you put this as a top coat and it's a gel coating, so your nail polish will last longer. So yeah, I'm gonna try this, and then let's see what's this. This is a freebie, I think, hand cream. So yeah, so nice color, and then I'll try the gel coat topping. And then it comes with a pouch. And that's it.
Hi everyone, it's Alyssa. I just wanted to do a little Chanel unboxing, and this is from the Chanel 2021 holiday gift set. I got this gift set online at Nordstrom. I tried so many times on the Chanel website, but you know, it sells out really fast, and I think I was just a little bit too late. But nonetheless, I did get my hands on the holiday gift set. This is one of many that they had. This one is the Sheer Sensation Lip Gloss Trio. Alright, and look how nice this Chanel box is. Very festive. Okay, so this comes with a pouch, and this one is the red Chanel pouch, and it comes with 3 lip glosses. Okay, so now I'm just going to unbox it. And I believe this retailed for $97, and there are other pouches that are cheaper, but unfortunately this is the only one that kept coming back on the website. So there's the red Chanel pouch, and there's other pouches as well. There's a black one, but look at the pouch, it's so pretty. And then there's as you can see, there's little gold glitters. Okay, and it's a good size pouch. So what I wanted to do with this pouch is to make it into a crossbody bag, because on the sides, as you can see, there are 2 attachments where you can put in a strap. Okay, when you open it up, it's gold, and then if you can see on the zipper, it also says Chanel. Okay, so you're gonna open it up, and then it's just black, and then there's tissue, and there's 3 glosses. Okay, so I'm just going to take off the tissue, and if you look really closely at the tissue, it does say Chanel on it, which is pretty cool. Okay, so that's everything in the bag, and as you can see, it's a good size. Okay, and then now I'm just going to show you the 3 glosses. Ooh, this one looks like a brownish color. Look at the packaging. So this is the Rouge Cocoa Gloss. It's not focusing. Okay. So this is like a brownish shimmery color. Okay. Okay, and then this one is getting more on the pinkish, nudish side, as you can see. And this one is in the number 119. Sorry, so the previous one was the Rouge Cocoa and number 722. This one is Rouge Cocoa 119. Okay, and then there's the last. Ooh, and this one is a gold shimmery color. Very pretty. And this is the Rouge Cocoa and number 712. Okay, so that's the lip trio. Very pretty. And then now I'll just do a little swatch for you. Okay, so this one is the Rouge Cocoa 722. This is like the brownish shimmery shade. And if you can see on the top, it has the Chanel logo on the tops of these glosses. Very pretty. Okay. There we go. Ooh, it's very sheer and smooth. Very pretty. See that? Very pretty. Okay, and then this is the pinkish, reddish, brownish shade. This is the Rouge Cocoa in 119. Ooh, very pretty. I like this one. Very pretty. Alright. And then this is the Rouge Cocoa in 712, the goldish shade. Very sheer and golden. Very pretty. Okay, so that's the 3 glosses. Okay, and now for the Chanel pouch, which I'm so excited about. I'm going to show you how to turn it into a crossbody. So I'm going to zipper her up, and I did purchase a chain strap for the pouch. So I got it in the red. There was a gold chain that I wanted to get, but it's sold out right now, so I'm gonna have to go back on the website when it's back in stock. But for now, I got the red, very Chanel looking strap. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how to attach them. So there's these clasps, okay? And what you're gonna do is there's these little knobs, and I am going to just attach it. All right, there you go. Okay, so that's one clasp. There you go. Alright, and there you have it. You have your Chanel looking crossbody pouch. And then I'm going to put it on a mannequin so you can kind of see. I got the longer chain because I'm about 5'7", so I wanted to fall a little bit like by my hip. So I'm gonna show you, and then I'll show you what you can put in this bag, or what can fit in this bag. So this is something that I'm super excited about. You know, Chanel bags are, you know, a little pricey, but if you're on a budget, or you know, you want the brand but you want something that's, you know, something that's a little bit more manageable in your budget, this is a great option. So if you can get your hand on one of these holiday gift sets, you can definitely turn the pouch into a little crossbody. Okay, so I'll show you on the mannequin what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is what the crossbody looks like. So I'm just going to show you. Okay, so that's the bag. And that's what it looks like. This is the chain in detail. It's all gold. Yeah, isn't that so pretty? And it's a good size. You can, you know, carry your phone, a small wallet, you know, lip gloss. Very good size bag. Okay. And I got this chain at Dress Up Your Purse, and I want to say it was less than $30. So, and it's a very good looking chain, you know, and it's heavy and it's solid. So I know it'll last for a while, but not too bad for, you know, a little over $100 Chanel bag. I like it. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I'll show you what it looks like with some of my items in it, like my phone and wallet and such. So that's the bag.
We're closer to heaven.